Hi, this is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So, in the classes, I have discussed about what is OOP and the introduction to the OOPs concept. So, what are all the OOPs concept we have to follow up in this syllabus, and also I have to discuss about what is class and the syntax for class and how to create the class. So, just we have to fresh up the topics. So, in this class, I have to discuss about the object. So before that I have to discuss about the class, attributes and methods. So after that I have to tell about how to create the object and how to use the object in our program. So class, so we have to create a class based on it is a blueprint for creating an object. So this is already told in the last class. So what is the syntax for class is class name. So I have to create the class name as car. So inside the class I have to given the attributes and methods related with the class name car. So in this I have to create the model. So model I have to create. So I have to define the data types also and the color. So these are all the attributes. So these are all the attributes we have to include inside the class car. So after that I have to include the method. So in this method I have to define engine start. So inside the method I have to given the definition. So system.out.println. So I have to given the definition. So engine is started. So these are all the first part of our program. So first we have to create the class and attributes and the methods. So after that we have to create the object in our main class. So which class is? We have to create another class which is the main class. So inside the class we have to create the object. So what is the syntax for object is class name, object name equal to new class name. So first we have to create the main class function. So I have to create the main class. So I have to mention it as a main. So inside the class I have to create public static void main. So this is the main important thing. So string will be as capital. So string args. So this is the argument for this. So inside the main class I have to create the object for the particular class car. So without creating an object, I can't access either method or attributes inside the class. So without creating object, so we can't access anything inside the class. So that's why we have to say Java is a fully object oriented concept. So that's why Java is more secure for all the companies. So what is the syntax for the object is? So class name, so my class name is car. So my object name, so I have create my object name is object car. So the next new car. So this is the object creation, class name, object name equal to new class name. So this is the object car is my object name. So that's why I underline this object name. So class name, object name equal to new class name. So after that, so based on the class object name, I have called the either attributes and methods which is inside the class. So how to call the method is, so my object name. So my object name is object car. So this is only created for the class name car. So based on this, so I have to call the method which I have created inside the class car. So object car dot my method name is engine start. So this is the method for this is the process for calling the method which is declared inside the class. So class name, object name dot my method name. So this method name will be processed inside the class. So we have to be called using the object. Without the object call, we can't access the method. So what will be the output means? So object call dot engine start. So the method will be called. So the output will be an engine is started. So this is the process for creating an object. So in that main class, we have to create the object. Without creating an object, we can't access either attribute or method inside the class. So this is the whole structure of program. First we have create class, attribute, method, and inside the main class we have to create the object. With the help of object, we can access the attributes and methods which we have to be declared inside the class. So thank you.